Morning. This is call number 2022-39592 in the interest of Carter Levert Young. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Shakisha Demius. I am the mother of Carter Young.
All right. And representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Andrea Eoff.
Court will note that Levert Young. The fourth is non-custodial parent not present. He was personally served on October 18th, 2022 at 11:56 a.m. And he has not made an appearance or filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Eoff?
That's correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd like to call Shakisha Demius.
All right.
Ms. Demius, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Will you please state your full name for the record?
Shakisha Juliana Demius.
And will you state the name and age of your child?
Carter Levert Young, 5 years old.
All right. And Mr. Young signed an acknowledgement of paternity, acknowledging that he is Carter's father. Is that correct?
Yes.
And would you like for the court to adjudicate him as Carter's father and establish the parent-child relationship between them today?
Yes.
And would you like for the court to order that you and Mr. Young are joint managing conservators of your child, with you designating the child's primary residence in Harris County and counties that touch Harris County?
Yes.
And would you like for the court to order that Mr. Young have a standard possession order for visitation?
Yes.
And would you like for the court to order that you apply for and maintain a government medical program for your child, like CHIP or Medicaid?
Yes.
And would you like for the court
But I already have.
Yes, you'd like to continue it. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And would you like for the court to order that Mr. Young should pay cash medical support in the amount of $38 a month beginning February 1st, 2023?
Yes.
Thanks. Now, you do not know what Mr. Young does for a living. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you don't know how much money he makes. Is that right?
Yes.
And you understand that if there's no evidence of employment or income for someone, then we use what's called the minimum wage presumption for calculating child support?
Yes.
And to your knowledge, Mr. Young has one biological child living with him. Is that right?
Yes.
And he's got another child who was also born in 2017 that he has a child support order for. Is that right?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to order Mr. Young to pay child support in the amount of $178 a month beginning February 1st, 2023?
Yes.
All right. And Mr. Young has only contributed to your child support by buying about $30 worth of school uniforms on one occasion. Is that right?
Yes.
So if we were to give him credit for that $30 investment in his child, would you be asking the court to take a judgment against him for retroactive child support in the amount of $11,226 for the time period between June 30th, 2018 and today, and then have him ordered to pay that at $107 a month beginning February 1st, 2023?
Yes.
All right. And you understand that Mr. Young has had some other child support cases in the past, correct?
Yes.
And as part of those child support cases, he has requested a finding of non-disclosure regarding his address and phone number. Even though there's no violence between him and you, are you in agreement with the court granting that finding of non-disclosure?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. I have no further questions and pass this witness, Your Honor.
All right. The court will approve the order submitted. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Excused.